guys, it's me. Ready? Jack! And you can see my name isn't really that important down below because this bird. Something went wrong, and today we're going to be catching dogs. These dogs are right there. They are little buggers.
Oh yeah, and Demolisher 128's here with him. What's up, bud?
Hey, bud. Come on, bud. Let's get Robo. Wow. Come on. I thought this was going to be a really short video. Okay, never mind. It's going to be a long chase. I'm just going to pause it here so we can get up close. And here we have Rowdy catching her prey. Be very, very sneaky. These dogs can hear anything. Shut up! Get the heck. Buddy? Rowdy, row! Come on, guys! We'll be right back, guys. Right there they are! Tyler, let's get them!
Don't work.
It's a wonderful view up here, but we still need to keep going. Where the freak did those dogs go? Come get the tweet! Come on, get the tweet! It's like Pokemon Go, but it's dogs that we're trying to catch. I think I caught a Rowdy! Bud! Over here! Now! It's like Pokemon Go, sheesh! Beautiful view here. Relax and watch this beautiful view. But there's no time to waste out catching dogs. But let's go! I caught one. This is going to be the end of this video, guys. Bye.